Hello and welcome to our presentation for Southwest Airlines. We are part of Group 7. My name is Alexander. In this group we also have Joseph, Eric, Chantae, and Xhemal. In this presentation we'll first go into the introduction of the presentation and the company. We'll also go into the vision and mission statements in our proposed statements, the external audit, internal audit, solutions, and the evaluation mechanism. Here we have the case background and info, and we'll start this off by saying that Southwest Airlines was established in 1967, and this was for flight services between the three most populated cities in Texas, which are San Antonio, Houston, and Dallas, and today, Southwest Airlines has grown to become the world's largest low-cost airliner. Customers have enjoyed these low costs so much that Southwest is continuing to use a variety of strategies to sustain their growth. And two strategies that they have used are the expansion of flight services to international locations and company acquisitions to improve market share. Currently, Southwest is serving over 100 destinations in the US alone, including Puerto Rico, and their expansion into the international services have reached 14 destinations in 10 countries located in Central America and the Caribbean. These countries are Aruba, Jamaica, the Bahamas, Dominican, Mexico, Turks and Caicos, Cayman Islands, Costa Rica, Cuba, and Belize. Also, as we stated before, the next strategy is a company acquisition. This was in 2011 when they purchased all of AirTran's outstanding common stock for $1.4 billion. And this was for the purpose of obtaining the Atlanta Hartsfield International Airport so they can address a major weakness in their domestic network. In this presentation now, you will get to hear our recommendations of strategies for Southwest and how they can use them to adapt to major issues such as profitability and market share. And you will also see an implementation plan for a partnership with JetBlue and a plan for digital marketing.
Hello everyone, my name is Joseph, and for my part I will be talking to you about the vision and the mission statements for Southwest. The mission statement is, we live by the golden rule, treating customers and employees the way they want to be treated. We strive to offer low-cost air travel to connect people to their loved ones and businesses. We strive to create a safe environment for our employees and customers in every phase of the airline service. Our philosophy is living the Southwest way, which is being a warrior with a servant's heart and a fun attitude that attracts customers, employees, and shareholders. Now for the vision statement, to become the world's most loved, most flown, and most profitable. These are the vision statements and the mission statements for Southwest that are the most beneficial for their brand image. Thank you.
In the external audit section, we'll go over an EFE matrix and a competitive profile matrix. In our matrix here, you can see opportunity 9 is the most significant opportunity for Southwest and has a rating of 0.08. We can see that it reads as, the majority of airline customers are dissatisfied with ancillary fees related to baggage, drinks, and food. This opportunity shows us that there is a growing demand for customers to fly with a low-cost airline. And as we already know, Southwest is the leading low-cost carrier in the world. But they are also the leading low-cost carrier of customer satisfaction, which brings us to opportunity 5, where we see that the coach class accounts for a staggering 82% of revenue in an industry that is expected to grow 3% annually from 2018 to 2023, according to opportunity 4. Next, we have industry threats, and some of the threats hindering Southwest performance are Delta's frequent flyer program known as Sky Miles, and it's the largest airliner loyalty program in the world. The rising fuel prices due to high demand and political instability in the East, and Spirit Airlines setting their prices 25% lower than competitors for any route they service. And overall, we can see that the external assessment, the score is 2.71, meaning Southwest's response to external factors is close to above average. In the competitive profile matrix section, here you can see the listed on the screen are the 12 critical success factors. And we also have the 2 scores for the competitors and Southwest. Delta comes out to a score of 3.46, which means it's the strongest competitive position, as Spirit is the lowest with 2.26, and Southwest is 3.18. Southwest seems to be performing the best in operational cost, ancillary fees, and boarding time, while Delta would be best in route expansion, their frequent flyer plan, and market share, and Spirit is only best in the category of pricing.
Hi, my name is Xhemal, and today I'm going to be talking about the internal audit of Southwest Airlines. Internal Factor Evaluation Metrics is a strategic administration tool that helps evaluate and define a company's internal strengths and weaknesses. Southwest's main strengths are its low-cost operations and point-to-point travel service. They also heavily engage in aggressive measures to increase its liquidity. Thus, this has added a strong equilibrium sheet to its store of abilities. The key assets of the business are the following: low-cost business model, point-to-point routes, single aircraft policy, strong balance sheet, network and schedule optimization. Since 2016, Southwest has overcome pandemic restrictions without eliminating any of its destinations. The business absorbed the impact associated with the pandemic and displayed an adjusted balance sheet leverage of 56% by the end of 2020. The airline industry shows a stiff rivalry, which implies that the company must leverage its strengths to address its weaknesses. The culture of Southwest Airlines serves as a strategic resource for the company. Strategic resources are valuable as they assist in improving organizational efficiency and proficiency while counteracting the opportunities and pressures of industry rivalry. The airline business is highly competitive. However, Southwest Airlines turns profit annually. One of the reasons is the mythical structure culture that stimulates the staff to give their best. Strategic properties are rare and only evident by few or no rivals. Southwest Airlines have a culture that offers firm and exclusively strong worker relations in a sector where poor employee morale, strikes, and dismissals are prominent. The strategic resources are also difficult to involve legally protected intellectual property that needs time to fully develop. Southwest Airlines prides itself in a culture that rose from a humble beginning and has thrived across decades. The unusual history of the company makes other airlines find it difficult to replicate this culture regardless of the efforts put into it. The last fact about strategic resources is that they are organized to capture value. Organizational schemes, procedures, and structures are appreciated to exploit the value of incomes and competencies of the company to offer a competitive edge.
Alternative strategies. To identify plausible strategies for Southwest, we conducted an internal and external analysis using the SPACE matrix. This revealed that Southwest has an excellent industry position. This means that Southwest can use its core competencies to overcome its weaknesses, evade threats, and exploit opportunities provided in its market. Southwest can explore market penetration, market development, diversification, and acquisition. Equipped with this information, we formulated strategies using the TAOS matrix that can be used to help Southwest to address its most pressing concerns. We use the current strategy matrix to find the best type of strategy for Southwest. The current strategy matrix revealed to us the effectiveness of Southwest's current strategies. Also, that it would not be wise for us to deviate too far from Southwest's current position as a low-cost carrier that provides excellent customer service and in-flight perks. For this reason, we chose market penetration as a type of strategy to pursue. The top two choices in market penetration are a partnership with JetBlue Airlines to diversify into the hub and spoke model to provide its customers with lower ticket prices, maximize passenger capacity, and save on resources such as gas. Our second choice is to allocate 6% of revenue into a marketing campaign. This campaign is meant to target customers who are dissatisfied with the lower customer service provided from other airlines, as well as high ancillary costs. We use the QPSM matrix to identify which strategy would be the most beneficial for Southwest's current internal and external environment. The QPSM revealed that a partnership with JetBlue would be the most beneficial for Southwest. JetBlue and Southwest both pride themselves in their high-quality customer service and in-flight perks. This provides customers with a fluid in-flight experience, as well as a partnership allows Southwest to maintain its organizational culture rather than an acquisition. This partnership will provide Southwest with the opportunity to lower its prices, as well as to target the growing demographic of Americans traveling internationally to Latin America and the Caribbean. This partnership will be beneficial for both Southwest and JetBlue to grow their market share and to deter other competitors from entering the market. Next, we'll move on to implementation plan.
Okay, so now I will be introducing the implementation plan to you guys. Strategy number 1 is partnership with JetBlue. A strategic partnership with JetBlue will help Southwest acquire more customers, increase revenue, and expand into the hub and spoke approach. JetBlue will help Southwest expand into the hub and spoke model, while Southwest will promote JetBlue through its marketing campaign so that both parties benefit. Here's the step-by-step implementation plan. Step number 1 is incorporation. Incorporation is the first step in the official formation of the partnership between Southwest and JetBlue. Step number 2 is devising a mutually beneficial strategy for both of the airlines. This step involves the formation of a plan in regards to how both of the airlines will apply their resources to form the hub and spoke approach. Step number 3 is the formation of the hub and spoke model for Southwest and JetBlue combined. This is a necessary step in the implementation plan, which will prove to be highly advantageous for both of the airlines from the partnership. And last step, step number 4, is increasing customer awareness through digital marketing. Through digital marketing strategies and promotions, customers will become more aware of the new benefits, lower costs, as well as new travel destinations that they will enjoy from the alliance of JetBlue and Southwest. Now, strategy number 2, which is marketing strategies to promote Southwest. $1 million will be devoted to the marketing aspect of this new partnership. And one of the best strategies for Southwest to use is TikTok for social media promotions. Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and Google AdWords, as well as email marketing, will be implemented for targeted specific demographics. The marketing aspect of the implementation plan will showcase Southwest's superior quality as well as customer service. Now let's go over the step-by-step plan for the marketing aspect. Step number 1 is devising a budget for various marketing strategies. In this step, the budget of $1 million will be divided upon different marketing strategies, such as email marketing, social media platforms, Google Ads, as well as digital promotions. Step number 2 is utilizing Facebook and Instagram ads to reach specific targeted demographics. Instagram and Facebook play key roles in digital marketing because of those platforms' ability to serve the ads to the desired audiences. Step number 3 is utilizing TikTok to showcase Southwest's superior customer service and higher levels of satisfaction, as well as lower levels of prices. As mentioned above, TikTok will be the tool which showcases Southwest Airlines through targeted videos. Step number 4, the last step, is the implementation of targeted email marketing for promotions. Email marketing is another very powerful marketing tool that is especially popular in the airline industry. And if done correctly, Southwest can expand their customer base and get their customers more involved with their brand if they effectively send out emails to the existing as well as potential new customers. Now let's go over the budgeting and the financial aspects for this new partnership and the marketing. For the consecutive 3 years, Southwest current ratios are 1.6, 1.6, and 5.7, which is a very strong indication that Southwest is stable enough to financially afford a marketing investment of $1 million. To add to that, Southwest net income for the same consecutive 3 years are in millions: 2183, 2465, and 3357. These are very, very powerful financial indicators that Southwest can afford an investment of $1 million, as we can see from the charts given. Thank you for your time.
Southwest Airlines has established its various evaluation standards to enhance its performance. Those are follows the safety manager ensure the personnel are following safety protocols, and employees and the customers are treated at equal levels with care and respect, and offer them attractive benefits to enhance their satisfaction level and ensure safety. Airline great customer service and discount price for corporate level customers, keep fare low in international expansion, and cost should be minimum to keep the low fare, because it is the main advantage of Southwest Airlines. And the last one is reduce flight delay by incorporating blockchain technology and increase customer service response time. And thank you for everyone to listening our presentation.